Somebody is about to get everything they've ever wanted, okay? This is you feeling on top of the world. This is celebrating it as well with friends, family, everybody being happy for you. And there's your happy ever after. You're moving beyond whatever this period was, okay? So there's healing here, but it's also a time for justice. It's a time for you to get what you deserve, and I feel like it's been a long time coming. You've had plenty of red flags in your path, and now it's time to get the happy ever after. So look at that. That can all, wow. This can stand for marriage. You've got the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups showing there, which again, you get both. You get emotional happiness and fulfillment. You get financial, material happiness and fulfillment. This is someone doting on you. And look at the smile there. Boy or girl, you're going to be the one with the big cheesy grin because you're going to be very happy, very content. This looks great. Look at that, love. That is peaceful love as well. That is where your cup is so full, you're so happy, you're so at peace. And there's you thinking, what the hell? How did I get this lucky? Well, you better believe it. It's your turn. It's your turn. You've waited long enough. There you are, being shined on by the gods. That's them acknowledging everything you've been through, everything you've put up with to get to this point. You also have that ace there. So you've got probably the best two aces, really. This is love. This is passion. So, you know, a nice combination there. It also shows that the physical side of the relationship will really be important in this. It's not the be all and end all, but it will really be important in really bringing you guys close together. Intimacy is super important in a relationship. So yeah, I feel like you're about to kind of do your lap of honor here. You still have independence in this relationship. You still feel like you in this relationship. You're not changing to suit someone. It's the end of loneliness as well. So you really do have a true partner for life here with this person. Didn't see it coming, or you won't see it coming. So if it's not happened yet, you are completely unaware this is coming in. But trust me, this is your time. If you have met somebody and you feel a little bit like this, know that it has everything you need it to have to go full long term. So let's just get the oracle quickly and just confirm with this, but it looks very good. Please don't panic about this and worry. This is it. This is good. You're getting all of your prayers answered. This is what you asked for. Look, there's love in all of these cards. That says inseparable, or inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. So this has probably been something that you've had to go through life lessons to get to, so that you meet at the right time with this person. But such a lovely card there. I'm just going to get one more just to confirm with this, because I feel like it's everything you need. There you go. Forgiveness. Forgive you, forgive the past, forgive whoever's hurt you, or however you got to the place you're in now, because it will be worth it. This is your reward for maybe going through some difficult times. I'm just going to get some star signs for you. Pisces, Air, Libra, so heavy on the air, and we'll get one more, Scorpio. So it could be for everybody, but they could be the people that you're involved with. Get ready, this looks exciting.